The next step in preparing your course is to actually grade all the submissions that you have for missing work. And there are multiple ways that you can do this. One of the reasons that we showed you to use the missing hexagon is that you can filter in your gradebook for all the submissions that were missing but have now, or rather all the grades that were missing that now have submissions. So if I go to the view icon, I can find all the ones that were marked missing. I can also find the ones that were marked missing with a submission. And so this is a little bit tricky because you'll see here when I highlight the cell doesn't show up very clearly, so you might have to look. It also has a number next to it. So I can see here now that that cell is the one that they did the submission. So I can click on this. This is a Google Drive assignment, so I would be able to click on the Google Drive assignment and actually grade it from here. And I'll say, wow, what a great job Minko did, so he gets a 5. Now that will go ahead and update that assignment here, but notice it didn't pass back. And the reason is that I forgot to remove the missing hexagon first. So the first thing you want to do is turn that off, and then you can go and grade the assignment. Give them a score, and that grade will pass back. It's critical that you clear that missing thing first before you can get the assignment score to pass back. There are other ways you can also do this. So for example, if a student sends you an email, you can, now you see I have the grade there, you can click on their name and this score graph next to their name in the gradebook, and this will show you all of the assignments that they've done. And for example, on this missing one, if they had submitted this, I could go ahead and open that and grade it. So if you get one student who sends you a list of many things, you can pull up their assignments here by category and grade that way as well. So that's another option. If you have ones that have been submitted through Schoology, so that one was a Google Drive assignment, but the Schoology ones, you can actually see if they've done resubmissions and if that submission was late or not. So again, you can go through and grade them that way, and there are some timestamps. If you use Google Drive or some of the other LTIs, it doesn't have that functionality, but you can still see them submitted through the gradebook. So that's a quick step in terms of how to do it, but we know that you may have a lot of grading to do. So let's move on to the next one.